If you're seriously addicted to chocolate to the extent that it's ruining your life, as it used to do to mine, then the normal advice you hear out there isn't going to work for you. Eating better is a great idea, but on its own, it's not enough. It just assumes that you're Mr. or Mrs. Spock and that you can just go without your chocolate because it's a good idea. You and I know chocoholism is far more powerful than that. Same thing for willpower, goal setting and determination are just no match for chocolate because guess what? It's hijacked your brain chemistry. So here's the thing. What worked for me, what was fundamental in helping me give up 3 decades of chocoholism in 6 weeks was putting chocolate out of a job. The job of pleasure. You see, being an addict means outsourcing pretty much all of your pleasure to the thing you're addicted to. The fact that you pay a massive price for it doesn't seem to make any difference because of the magnetic pull of chocolate. But here's the thing. Pleasure is fundamental to the human experience. I'm talking about on an evolutionary level. And the key to managing your addiction is changing your relationship with pleasure. Now, to understand this, we need to take a trip in a time machine back to Paleolithic times. Your ancestors lived a very unstable life. To ensure the survival of the species, they developed the ability to feel pleasure when they did something that was good for their survival. Hugging and other pro-social activities produced the neurochemical oxytocin. This ensured the survival of the tribe, which today still makes us feel pleasure. Hunting for food triggered the neurochemical dopamine, which makes you humans excited to work for a reward. That reward, eating nutritious food, produced the neurochemical serotonin in your ancestors. The survival benefits of this are obvious and still makes you feel pleasure today. Pleasure has been a fundamental part of the success of your species. But look how it's all gone horribly wrong.